You asked AI a perfect question. The answer is technically correct. The information is exactly what you needed. But it comes back as one giant wall of text. No structure. No breaks. No clear flow. Just a block of words staring back at you. And now you spend the next 20 minutes reformatting it yourself. Here is the truth. The AI did not fail you. You forgot to tell it how to present what it knows. That one missing instruction, format, is what separates an AI response you can use instantly from one that needs an hour of editing. Let us fix that right now. Format is the third building block of every great prompt. And it is the most overlooked one. Think of it this way. Imagine you hired a chef to cook for your dinner party. The food is delicious, but they serve everything piled onto one plate with no arrangement, no garnish, and no presentation. The taste is perfect, but it looks like a mess. That is exactly what AI does when you do not specify format. The information is right. The presentation is wrong, and wrong presentation makes even great content unusable. Format tells AI three things: how to structure the response, how long it should be, and how it should look on screen. There are 5 format instructions you should know. The first is lists. Ask for bullet points or numbered steps when you need scannable content. The second is length. Tell AI exactly how many words, sentences, or paragraphs you need. The third is headings. Ask for section headings when the response covers multiple ideas. The fourth is tables. Ask for a table when you are comparing 2 or more things. The fifth is tone fit. Ask AI to format for the platform. A tweet reads differently from a report. You do not need all 5 every time. Even one format instruction transforms your output from raw material into something ready to use. No format instruction. The AI will decide everything: length, structure, style. What you get is usually 3 to 5 long paragraphs that read like a health article. Technically correct. Practically difficult to use for anything specific. You wanted a quick answer. You got an essay. Now look at what changes. Same question. But now we told the AI exactly how to present the answer. 5 bullet points. 1 sentence each. Simple language. What comes back is clean, scannable, and ready to paste into a presentation, a social post, or a document without touching a single word. That is the power of format. Save these 5. They cost you 3 seconds to add to any prompt. And they save you 20 minutes of reformatting on the other side. Format is not a small detail. It is the difference between raw output and ready output. Open any AI tool right now and type this. List the top 5 skills every beginner should learn to use AI effectively in their daily life. Format, numbered list. Each skill should have a name and 1 sentence explaining why it matters. Keep the total response under 150 words. After reading the response, remove the format instructions and run it again. Compare both. The information will be the same, but one will be ready to use. The other will need work. That difference is format. Key takeaway. The AI knows what to say. Your format instruction decides whether you can actually use it. Full notes, exercises, and bonus prompts for this episode are linked in the description below. If you are serious about learning this, that is where the real practice begins. You now have all 3 building blocks: task, context, format. You know how to tell AI what to do, give it the right background, and shape the output exactly how you need it. That is the foundation, and it is more than most people ever learn. But here is where it gets interesting. What if instead of just giving AI instructions, you gave it an identity, a role, a perspective, an expertise it could think from before it even started answering? In episode 5, we move into intermediate territory. We learn role prompting, the technique that makes AI think like an expert before it writes a single word. The results will surprise you. See you in episode 5.
Learning something new every day, that is a choice only a few people make. You just made it. Like this video, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe to School of Intelligence. Your next lesson is one click away.